So I'm just trying to increase the flow of this shower head. It's just a regular one you plug into the bath. There's no other pump involved just than the stock one. I haven't bought anything extra. It's okay, but I wanted to see if I could get something better, and that's just hot water that I'm pumping through it at the moment. Right, so that's a before. We'll pause it and then we'll fit the other one on. I'm going to fit the cable, this thing here, as well, hoping that the diameter of the hole is smaller so it might make it a bit better. We'll have a look. So yeah, I'm just going to show you. I'm not actually sure which way this goes. That's the washer. It's like a rubber thing and it's stuck to it. Sorry, I don't know if you saw that. That's a washer, it's a clear washer. Let's read what that says. It says StoneStream. And then to put it on, it's not hard at all, that's the reason why I'm showing you. I'll just do it hand tight for now. This might be the wrong way around, it might be the opposite way. Right, so I'll cut back in a sec. So we've taken the whole old unit off and fitted the new one on. Like I say, it's just, I haven't bothered trying the old one. I'll just box it up just in case, because this plastic may break. I have bought a spare, it was only $9.99. Sorry, I'm not sure actually. I got it all come together for 44 quid. I'm going to put this on to here. It's got the rubber washer on. So this might be the wrong way around. So I'm going to fit that to that and see, and if not, then I'll switch that around to there, to the opposite one. So bear with me. Just do it all by hand. Not that there was any special tools or anything. Right. Now if this shoots water all over, then we know I've done it wrong. I've got a sneaking suspicion I should put it the exact same way that the other one was, but I thought I'd try this way first. Right, so I'll just put that down 1 second. There we go. We'll try that. So, turn on. Anything happening? Oh, right, so we've got the stop and start button. I'm not going to press the button just yet. Aha. Something's happening. Oh, look. Any better? Oh, let's see until it fills up. Okay, so you've got to let it run a little bit till that bit's filled up with water, otherwise you're a bit underwhelmed. Maybe get the air out of the system. Maybe this is obvious to other people, but not to me. And that is better. Sorry, I'll tell you on this side. That's a lot better. Let's see. Without wetting myself through. Yeah, that's better. And is it leaking? Maybe at some point I'll just take that off down there just to see. I might snug it up a little bit. I might have got it completely the wrong way around, but at the moment it doesn't feel like there's any water coming out of that. So that's your stop button. Let's just start. And there's three modes. So let's have a go on that. That's mode. Right, I'm not used to filming, obviously. That one. So I'll do the middle one. You can see it just moves that thing up and down and goes through separate holes. It's coming out of the centre, and then we'll do the other one. It's not exactly easy to do that. That's a bit underwhelming. Okay, fine. Ouch, that's hot. I've just got it on just to hot because that was the problem. The cold water came out really well. I will actually add that on later, but I wanted to get the whole view of it without. Seems to slow down a little bit. Interesting. Now that is too hot, it's burning me, so I'm going to add some cold anyway. Let's get it out. Obviously there's an issue. Now the next point is to buy a pump for it, maybe, if I need to. I'm not too bothered. That seems pretty good for me. I don't need much. I just need soap. Fine balancing point. But yeah, so far I'm kind of happy with it. It wasn't locked in properly. Let me just try to get it onto the top one. There we are, that's better. So, it's not bad. That's stony cold though, let me just switch it down. Yeah, that's okay. I'm quite impressed with that. It seems to be harder to get into the last one for me to press with my fingers just by one hand. Maybe there's only two. No, there's definitely three. Let me just try with three. With three hand. 2 seconds. Well, that's interesting. There is only 2 modes. So there was two modes in that, but if you look, there's only 2 holes. 1, 2. So unless I'm missing something, there's only two modes. You power shower and that's it. 2 modes. So I don't know if you saw that. Power shower and that. I thought there was 3. My mistake. And then it's off and on. Pretty cool. The more I'm playing with it, the more impressed I am with it. I'm happy. And that should go on there nicely. It kind of fits-ish, maybe not. It's not perfect. But it'll do. And I've got another one in case it falls off because again, I'm not sure how steady that plastic is. There's not just me using it, there's my kids and accidents happen, but I've got a spare one and I've got the old one as well. I'll put that one somewhere safe just in case. Okay, thank you.